At ito naman may pinuntahan akong isang launching ng isang spa, ang Zen Spa. Panoorin natin yan sa special feature.
Good morning mga boss! Hindi pa uhuli ang mga Pilipino pagdating sa larangan ng pagpapaganda. At isa sa mga maaaring puntahan para makapagpa-beauty, makapag-relax, at ma-enjoy ang Zuring experience dito sa kauna-unahang medical spa na inilunsad ng The Zen Institute.
It's the launching of the Zen Institute, Quezon City branch, but this is not just a launch because it's also a launching of the concept of the true medical spa.
Makikita rito ang kanilang mga facilities na talaga namang relaxing sa pakiramdam.
The true concept of a medical spa is actually encased in 4 pillars. The first pillar is all about aesthetic. The second pillar is about integrative medicine. It's like the colonics and IV nutrition, everything from inside. And then the third pillar is all about pampering treatments. And lastly, the lifestyle. In the lifestyle, it includes the fitness and all the body conditioning activities.
Available din dito ang yoga, Zumba workout sessions, at counseling services para sa mga gustong maging healthy and fit.
The non-surgical facial contour, the weight management with body sculpting, the integrative medicine which has the IV nutrition and the colonics, and of course, the full service of a spa and even foot reflex.
At bukod sa pisikal paganda, layunin din nitong mapabuti ang tingin ng tao sa kanyang sarili sa pamamagitan ng tamang ehersisyo at tamang consultation program na hindi na kailangan pa gamitan ng surgery. Kaya kung ikaw ay health and beauty conscious, i-experience mo na ang non-surgical at relaxing na medical spa.